So as you can tell, my growing of cardboard has worked. So today we're going to go ahead and start our makeshift garden. So first, to begin, we're going to get the poles in the ground. Well, actually Rob's got to get the poles in the ground because that weighs a decent amount. There's no way I'm going to be able to sling that around.
Yeah, we're just going to use some leftover T-posts that we found in the shed and some chicken wire, just kind of rig something up just to get going, and down the road hopefully we'll build something nicer, but let's just keep the rabbits out for now.
Guys, it is gardening day for me. Not really. I need to get the garden to a garden. Right now it is a garden of cardboard. I'm going to take the mulch and lay out. I have already drawn up my plan as far as where the beds are going to be and where the mulch needs to be. So I'm going to cover the areas that are going to be mulched, which are actually my pathways, and then I'll go ahead and fill the dirt in. So we're gonna start that, but I also wanted to let you know I'm going to be doing it with my trusty wheelbarrow that I got from a garage sale for like $5. It's like my big find for the week. And I got this for just a few bucks too. So I didn't have to go out and buy something brand new for, you know, how expensive everything is right now. So I saved a little bit and now I'm gonna get put to work. So come on. All right, y'all wanna see me fall on my butt? So this pallet, well, one of the pallets, I'm going to try to convert the wood into the doorway. So that way we have some sort of door configured. And I figure this is probably the best way and the cheapest way to do it. It's free and I'm recycling for them. So they were happy to give it away. It's way heavier than the last one. Alright, I'm done. That was my workout for the day. I wish it was that easy.
What's walking up behind me?
You helping? Hey, I'm trying. There you go. Come on. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come on. Jada.
You're right in it, don't you?
She's got to be on everything, huh? Oh, you jerk. You're such a jerk. Okay. Come over here. Come here. All right. Jeez Louise. Yeah. Just gotta get your belly scratched, huh? Just gotta happen. Just gotta happen. Huh. Hey, I'm outside. Hey. Alright, stay on my dirt. You hear me? I just said stay on my dirt. Come on. Unless you're gonna help. Go. I got Rob being my manure hauler right now. Okay, so after a little bit of help from Rob, we are almost there in the garden. Just have a few more rows to add some more manure and some compost dirt, and this will be done. And then I can put the weed stopper, the tarp-like thing over top. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, is just finishing up this and hoping to get that top layer on. So, like I said, you're more than welcome to grab those shovels and come on and help. At least I'm not having to dig into the soil, because yesterday I found out that it is nearly impossible. I'm sure having a huge tractor with a bucket loader and all of that would make it so much easier, or even a tilling machine would make it so much easier than trying to do it by hand, because there are a lot of rocks in the soil. So I'm winding down to the last row. We're getting somewhere here. Tell you what, it wasn't easy work for sure. It's funny how everybody always wants the vegetables from your garden, but nobody ever wants to help you with your garden. Whew. Okay, finally, we're done.
Shrapnel. The Vietnam bed or something? This is shrapnel from a coat hanger back in 2021. Every time it rains, it gets real sore. Like you should hear the things coming out of your mouth from time to time.
Alright, so I had to do some creative thinking in the garden today, and I had no clips to put the fence up or to clip down the covering for the dirt. So when we bought the house, there was one closet that was filled with these metal hangers, and I just thought if we cut them from here to here, that was like a clip all on its own. So that's what we did. We just kept cutting them down and making pieces out of them to be able to go into the tarp and everything. So it worked out pretty good. We were able to put the fence up, as you can see. Obviously it was a little bit more work, but we were able to do it today without having to wait to go to the store and things of that nature. And then it started to resemble a cemetery, because that looks like a bunch of bodies to me. But I promise you, it's not. It is my garden to be. And I hope that there will be vegetables growing there soon enough. Please hit that subscribe button and bell so you can come along on our homestead journey. Thanks again. Take care and be kind to one another.